Barber shop then.
Oh, you're lucky, you know. Right down the road, they said they're in front of the Chinese shop.
Down the road.
Yeah, man, right down the road, man.
In front of
Chinese shop.
Chinese shop.
Yeah.
Chinese shop.
Alright.
Food. Yo, boss. Which party did barber shop then? Barber shop.
Yeah. Down the road. Yeah, you take the first left the road, right turn on the straight bend crescent. You see, around the straight corner. The straight bend corner, yeah.
Straight bend corner.
Yeah. The first left right turn.
Alright.
Arm back.
Yo. Where the barber shop?
Where's the barber shop?
Like that? Alright, yeah. Yo, barber. Yeah, alright. Alright.
So yeah.
All in one.
All in one?
All in one. So, how much you need?
5 grand, man.
5 grand, yeah. But for 5 grand, check more.
Come on, the barber shop, boy. It's cheap and stuff, man. Yo, come on, the barber shop. Yo, sister, man, boy, come here, dog.
Yo. You want to know how much barber boy charge me, dog?
Yo, we can't bother with the farm and again, you know.
Yo, how you do that for my youth? Why you have to do that, dog? Why you not have to do that? You do that for my youth?
Yes, the man start talking straight.
You talk straight?
What?
Dog, me not stop again. Yo, take that board. Brought that cross, man. Yeah, don't know your boy JNL. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube at JNL TV. You know, bring a whole heap of comedy, man. See, subscribe to JNL TV.